Grammatical function of predicate. So if you look at this sentence, the patient has been examined by Dr. MacDonald. The tram was shaving himself. The exam is at the end of next term. That painting Sue does not like. After breakfast, the boy wandered out into the playground. So there is a slash between the elements of the sentence. So they clearly tell that the patient is the subject, the noun phrase, and the rest of the thing is telling something about the subject or predicating something about the subject or giving us certain information. So in a sentence, we have the subject noun phrase and the verb phrase, and the verb phrase predicates about the noun phrase. So we have seen that the subject noun phrase and the verb together make up a sentence. For example, S consists of NP and VP, right? The VP predicates something of the subject. Its function is predicative. So it predicates, it gives information. Generally, when we are dealing with traditional grammar, we say that when we name a when we make a sentence, we name some person, place, or thing that is the subject of the sentence, and then we say something about the subject, that is the predicate. So predicate has a predicative function. It gives information about the noun phrase. So since the function of NP is that of predicating, we shall call it predicate, and we have the symbol pred of the sentence. So the constituent inside the VP may also have some kind of predicate function. So there are certain constituent, as we shall see, right? There are certain obligatory constituent and some adjunct constituent which also predicates about the VP. So we'll study it in detail.